Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you the best hidden iOS 26 features Apple didn't tell you about. So, the first thing that I do recommend, Hold Assist. Open Settings, scroll down to the apps, here, scroll down to the letter P, over here, open Phone. Scroll all the way down. As you can see here, they have colors, but that's not it. Here, Hold Assist Detection. And automatically detects when you are placed on hold on the call, so you can step away. iPhone will then notify you when it's time to pick up, and it will your iPhone will automatically detect if the music is playing or if AI robot is speaking to you. If it's a human, they'll let you know. If it will let you know. Enable this option. The second thing, back tap. Go back. Go to the accessibility in your device over here. Now here, scroll down a little bit so that you will find where was that? I think touch. And here, if you scroll down, you will see back tap. Here, tap it. Tap, for example, double tap, and make it enabled for example, flashlight. Now, if I do something like this, flashlight should be turned on. As you can see, it works. The next thing, the third thing, it's quick up switching with the home bar swipe. With this, as you can see, home bar, we can straight from the home, as you can see. Wait a moment, I need to open some applications so that I can show you this. Here, straight from the home screen, with a simple swipe I can enter the applications and go between them. Very useful for me. The next thing, spacebar as a trackpad. If I open Notes and, for example, open this text over here with a spacebar, I can make myself a trackpad for my text. Here, if I want to, for example, here, select some text. This is the next trick. Select the text and open here this Apple Intelligence button. Now, as you can see, we can rewrite, change the tone, or proofread our text, or rewrite with our own compose and changes. And actually, that's it. Have a nice day and goodbye.